are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cooking with Barbara Modoni. If you're new here, karibu sana. Feel free to subscribe and to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I post a video. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to prepare the famous Dalgona coffee. So if you want to learn that, stay tuned. To prepare the Dalgona coffee, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of hot water, and a glass of milk. You can use hot milk, warm milk, or cold milk, and even add ice cubes. So we'll start by adding all the ingredients to a bowl. So you'll use a whisk, or if you don't have one, you can use a hand mixer or a fork. So I've already measured this. This is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Don't use any other coffee, use instant coffee. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I'll add in 2 tablespoons of hot water. So the next process is to whisk these ingredients together till you get a foam. So this is where the work is. As you continue whisking, you'll realize the color keeps on changing. If you have a hand mixer, it will come in handy. Yeah, from this angle, you can note that it is changing in color and becoming a lighter shade of brown. Yeah, our cream is ready, guys. You can see it is very thick. So the next thing, we're going to get a glass, add in your warm milk. Next, we are going to add in our Dalgona cream. So just going to add it on top. So guys, here is our Dalgona coffee, looking all sorts of yummy and delicious. I can't even wait to finish this video and just dive into it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll also try it and send me your videos once you do that on my Instagram handle at Cooking with Barbara Modoni. Till next time guys, bye, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.